Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 5. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School District. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is BQ broad question 1, 2 and 3 from exercise chapter 5, lecture number 22, HW number 12. My beloved students, already we have finished short question answer from exercise and CSQ, I mean competency based short question. So all you have done, so you will learn from there. Today I am starting from BQ broad question from exercise. All of this question you will get in your book. Okay, now see the question. Question number 1, please give an account of the birth and family history of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My beloved students, for getting all of this information, you have to read the books. All of this information I collected from your book. So first information about our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born on 20th April 12 Rabiul Awwal 570 AD, Monday in Makkah. And then his father name was Abdullah and mother name was Amina. Number 3, Abdul Muttalib was his grandfather. Number 4, after his birth he was named Muhammad and Ahmad. Number 5, his father died before his birth and his mother died when he was at the age of 6. Number 6, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib also died when he was at the age of 8. And number 7, he was died on 12 Rabiul Awwal 11th Hijri and buried at one side of Masjid an-Nabawi in Medina. And number 8, his foster mother was Shuaiba and Halima. My beloved students, here I given 8 information, 8 point. But if you read this information, if you learn this information, then it will be helpful for your matching or for your fill in the blanks or any of the places. I mean short question or broad question, anywhere can come this information. So you have to learn about the information, basic information about our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he was born, his father's name, mother's name, his grandfather's name, his uncle's name, his foster mother's name, when he died, when he born, etc. I hope you understood. Now question number 2, what was the condition of Arabia like at the time of the birth of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Students, same as you will get all of these points in your book. Condition of Arab, the condition of Arab at the time of the birth of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam are narrated below. Narrated below means explained here, said here. Number 1, the people of Arab used to be engaged in murderous activities, looting, fighting, robbery, etc. in an unlimited way. Number 2, there was no security of life. Number 3, drinking wine, taking interest, gambling, etc. were their usual affairs of life. Number 4, they forgot, they means the people of Makkah, they forgot Allah and used to pray many idols made of clay. Number 5, there was no respect for women either in the family or in the society. Number 6, there was no misdeeds which they did not do. And number 7, in history the period is called Ayam Jahiliyat or the period of darkness. My dear students, so whatever you know about the condition of Arab when our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born in this world, when our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in this world, then what was the situation in the Arab? If you read your book again and again, then no need to follow this sheet. You just follow the book. Again we are telling you, you just follow the book, then inshallah you can give all of the question answer. So what was the condition of Arab? You can write from yourself. I hope you understood. Now question number 3. What were the objectives of the peace organization? My beloved student, this question number 3 is very important. What was the aim of the peace organization? I mean Hilful Fuzul. Answer, the objectives of the peace organization. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam along with his peace-loving young friends formed a peace organization named Hilful Fuzul. The objectives of the organization were: number 1, to serve the distressed. Number 2, to stop the oppressor. Number 3, to help the oppressed. Number 4, to establish peace and disciplines. Number 5, and to maintain brotherhood, solidarity and amity among all tribes. And number 6, to nurse the sick. My dear students, when Prophet ﷺ returned from Syria to Mecca, then he saw the horrifying war between for the gambling in the Okas fair. Then Prophet ﷺ formed this organization, which is named the Hilful Fuzul. So their aim was this: they will help to the distressed people, they will help the oppressed people, they will obstacle the oppressor people, and they will nurse the sick people, etc. So it was the aim of that organization. So I hope you understood, my dear students. Now see the HW number 12. Your topic is any one BQ from here. There are 3 BQ. You will write any one as your wish. So no more today, my dear students, to abide by your parents, and whatever we are providing to you in a week, 2 class I am taking. So every short question and broad question is very much important for your exam. Keep practicing at home and submit your HW. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.